Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 4th of July 2020. Let's listen and imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didi ji. Manmohini Didi also had a wonderful art of giving gifts. Children keeps on coming to Baba's house. By speaking sweet words to them, Didi gave a gift with love. She used to give a diary and pen, then open the page of diary and teach them how good slogan is. Then ask what was the inspiration from slogan, giving knowledge with the knowledgeable gifts. Sweet children, if you want to become elevated, examine your chart every day to see that none of your physical organ deceive you. The eyes are very deceitful, therefore remain very cautious with them. Question of the day. What is the worst habit of all, and what is the way to remain safe from it? Answer. The worst habit is to please your taste buds. When some of you see something nice, you eat it secretly. To hide something means to steal. Maya, in the form of stealing, catches hold of many by their nose and ears. The way to remain safe from this habit is to punish yourself when your intellect is being pulled by something. In order to remove your bad habits, you have to punish yourself a great deal. Essence for Dharana. First point, become sensible and check that your eyes are not deceiving you. Don't perform any wrong acts under the influence of your physical organs. With the power of remembrance, liberate yourself from the deceit of physical organs. Second point, make time to earn this true income. Even though you may have come late, you can still make up time by making effort. This is the time to have yourselves absolved of your sins. Therefore, don't perform any sinful acts. Blessing. May you claim a right to an air-conditioned ticket by remaining safe in every condition. Description. The children who remain safe here in every condition are the ones who receive an air-conditioned ticket. No matter what situations arise, what problems comes, you need to have a certificate to overcome any problem in a second. Just as you have to pay money for that ticket, in the same way you need to have the money here of being constantly victorious with you can receive a ticket. There is no need to work hard to earn this money, but simply to stay with the Father all the time and you will continue to accumulate a countless income. Slogan. No matter what the situation is, let it go, but never let your happiness go. Om Shanti.